Shri Parashakti Vidyalaya Cbse Class 7th Subject Biology.
Good morning to all. In previous session, students are learn about nutrition in plants. All animals under their food heterotrophs because animals get their food from plants and animal. So, to today's session, chapter 2, nutrition in animals. Okay. Today's session, nutrition in animals, chapter 2. We goes to chapter 2. Session plan. First one, introduction. The second one, different ways of taking food. The third one, digestion in human. Fourth one, mouth and the buccal cavity. Fifth one, food pipe or esophagus. Sixth one, stomach. Seventh one, the small intestine. Eighth one, the large intestine. Ninth one, digestion in grass-eating animals. 10th one, feeding and digestion. Okay, the first one, introduction. Second, different ways of taking food. Third, digestion in humans. Fourth, the mouth and the buccal cavity. Fifth, the food pipe or esophagus. Sixth, the stomach. Seventh, the small intestine. Eighth, the large intestine. Ninth, digestion in grass-eating animals. 10th, feeding and digestion in animals. Okay. First, introduction. All living things need nutrition. Okay. Nutrition provide energy and nutrition. Plants make their food by process by photosynthesis because it prepare their food by own. But animals cannot make their food themselves. So animals get their food from plants, and some animals eat plants directly while some animals eat plant eating animals. Thus animals get their food from plants either directly or indirectly. Okay, thus animal gets their food from plants either directly or indirectly. So it undergoes heterotrophs. All organisms need food for survival and growth. Requirement of nutrition, mode of intake of food and its utilization in body are collectively known as nutrition. What is nutrition? Animal nutrition include nutrients requirement, mode of intake of food and its utilization in the body. In the previous class 6, the food consists of many components you studied. What are the components? The nutrition, the all nutrients. Component means the carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals, roughage. These are called components of food. These are get from eating our food. Okay, the components of food. Again I tell, components of food what? Protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins and minerals, roughage. Okay, these are components of food. Then digestion. What is digestion? The components of food such as carbohydrate are a complex substance. The complex substance cannot utilized as such. Okay. So the complex substance are break down into simple substance. Okay. The complex substance are break down into simple substance. The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substance is called digestion. Okay. Then we goes to different ways of taking food. We goes to different ways of taking food. Different feeding habits of different organism. all are seen. Okay, so different organism takes food different ways. For example, hummingbird. The hummingbird suck nectars of plants. The hummingbird suck nectars of plants. A frog captures prey with its sticky tongue. The frog தன்கிட்ட இருக்கிற அந்த பசை போன்ற நாக்கு மூலயமா ஏதோ ஒரு இன்செக்ட் உள்ளே போகும், அப்படியே ஸ்வாலோ பண்ணிடுது. ஓகே, தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், the earthworm. Earthworm uses its muscular pharynx to swallow its food. Then snakes and also swallow the animals they prey upon. Some aquatic animals filter tiny food particle floating nearby and feed up them. Okay, next, different organisms. Human beings use their hands to put food into their mouth and swallow the food after chewing. This type swallow and also chewing. Okay, then a simple activity. Food and modes of feeding in animals. The snail, kind of food, grass, mode of feeding, chewing. Ant, kind of food வந்து insect, mode of feeding, scrabbing. Eagle, flesh, swallowing. Hummingbird, kind of food, nectar, and mode of feeding, sucking. Lice also, lice kind of food, blood, mode of feeding, sucking. Mosquito, then butterfly, housefly, all are mode of feeding, sucking. Okay, அப்போ today you studied what is nutrition and what is digestion, then different ways of taking food. Okay, yeah, different ways of taking food. So animal nutrition includes nutrient requirements, mode of intake of food, and its utilization in the body. This is called nutrients. Okay, then digestion, the breakdown of complex component of food into simpler substance is called digestion. Okay, yeah. The next one, digestion in humans. Digestion in humans, we say goes to next session. Okay, thank you.